Welcome to the week 4. Okay, so for week 4, we'll be looking into variables, data types, and operators. All right. So you can have combination of variables, operands, and operators that produce a variable value. So for see visual example, so maybe a plus b, it shows the operator and the operand. So the operator is the operator is b. The operator is plus and the operands are a and b. All right. So types of expression, we have the integral. So the integral is for all integers. Floating point is for all floating numbers. Mix is for both integers and floating points. And then release now you have something like, so maybe x is greater than or less, s is greater than or less than y, and that those are some of the relational variables that we have. And we also have logicals and pointers. Okay, so for statements, so these are single instructions that perform an action. So we have expression statements, declaration statements, compound statements, selection statements. That's the if and switch, and the iterative statement. And we also have jump statements. Okay, so selection statements. So the if statements, they are basic syntax with indentation examples. If you have the if else structure, and then the nested ifs. Nested ifs, they show both indentation and block styles. And switch statements when we use switch statements when you have multiple alternatives. So syntax with case, break, and default. It shows voting age, example for from slides, and emphasizes break importance. So operators, and then we have logical operators like the exclamation mark with and we also have the conditional operator like question mark or the colons, and we also have the if else comparison, that's with the conditional operator, and we have the increments and the decrements, the prefix and the postfix. So some practical applications of this would be GPA calculators or the desk calculators in C++, and you have to brief pseudocode example for one of them, and encourage experiment. And I encourage experimenting with different expressions or statements, and this usually helps a lot. Thank you, and see you in week 5.